Hey there friends, I'm back again with a new tutorial video. In this video, I will teach you how to show chat and meet in Gmail so you can seamlessly stay connected and collaborate within your email platform. To begin, open up your Gmail account. Make sure you're logged in and ready to enhance your Gmail experience. Now look up at the top right corner of your Gmail interface and you'll find a gear shape icon. Click on it and a drop-down menu will appear. Now choose See All Settings. In the settings page, you'll see different tabs. Click on the tab labeled as Chat and Meet. Here you'll have the option to choose whether you want to show chat and meet in your Gmail. Now we will toggle here, Google Chat, and then show the Meet section in the main menu. And then after that, click Save Changes. So as you can see here in the left side, you will see the chat window and the meet option. So the chat and meet is already showing on your Gmail platform. And that's it. You now know how to show chat and meet in Gmail, enhancing your communication and collaboration within the platform. Thank you for learning with me today. Once again, thank you for watching how to show chat and meet in Gmail. See you on my next video.